Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into error code 0xC00000E9 on HP Windows devices. If you've ever turned on your HP laptop or desktop and been greeted by this frustrating error, don't worry, we've got you covered. This issue can halt your system boot, but with a few simple steps, you can get back up and running in no time. First, let's break down what this error means. Error code 0xC00000E9 typically signals a problem with your boot device, like your hard drive or SSD. It often means your computer can't properly access or read from the disk during startup, which can lead to a blue screen or a frozen system. Now, why does this happen? Common causes include loose hardware connections, corrupted system files, outdated drivers, or even malware infections. For HP users, it might also stem from power issues, like a faulty battery or inconsistent power supply, especially in laptops. Other factors could be recent software updates gone wrong or physical damage to your drive. The good news is that most of these are fixable at home. Let's walk through the solutions step by step. Start by restarting your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot does the trick. If that doesn't work, check your hardware connections. Shut down your device, unplug it, and ensure all cables, especially those connected to your hard drive, are secure. For laptops, make sure it's not overheating by cleaning vents and fans. Next, try booting into safe mode. To do this, hold the Shift key while clicking Restart from the login screen. This mode loads only essential drivers and can help identify software conflicts. Once in safe mode, run the built-in Windows tool called ChakDisk. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type ChakDisk CFR, then hit Enter. This scans and repairs disk errors. Be patient, as it might take a few minutes. If the problem persists, update your drivers. Head to the HP support website, enter your device model, and download the latest drivers for your Windows version. And if all else fails, consider a system restore or reset, but always back up your data first to avoid losing important files. Remember, if you're not comfortable with these steps, consult a professional to prevent further damage. That's it for today's guide. By following these tips, you should resolve error code 0xC00000E9 and get your HP Windows machine running smoothly. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next one.